This is Onterra Lift, high-end luxury home lift. No pit, no machine room, less civil work. Swedish screwdrive technology. Panoramic laminated Alglass, premium powder coating. Automatic saloon doors, customizable color options. Artisan craft wood panel. High-end audio speaker, smart ultra control. Fast installation, after-sales guarantee. Feel the luxury. Visit Experience Center now.